All the information shared in this video is available on the public platform. Nothing is discussed here which may breach the confidentiality of our armed forces. Defense Detective respects our defense forces and works only on the information that is available for public use.
The BrahMos supersonic cruise missile not only reportedly helped India target several strategic locations deep inside Pakistan during Operation Sindoor, but it also showcased how indigenous Indian weapons can deliver a powerful and effective response. According to News 18, many countries have expressed fresh interest in acquiring this advanced system. In April this year, India dispatched the second batch of BrahMos supersonic missiles to the Philippines, marking a milestone in global defense cooperation. This follows a $375 million deal signed in 2022. What is BrahMos? BrahMos is a universal long-range supersonic cruise missile system that can be launched from land, sea and air. It has been jointly developed by DRDO, India, and NPOM, Russia. BrahMos is an amalgamation of the names of the Brahmaputra and Moskva rivers. At present, India has three variants of this missile: the air-launched version, the land-based version and submarine-based version. India holds a 50.5% share and Russia the other 49.5% share in the joint venture. The first successful test of the missile was conducted on 12 June 2001 off the Chandipur coast of Odisha. How does it work? BrahMos is a two-stage missile with a solid propellant booster engine. At its first stage, the engine brings the missile to supersonic speed and then gets separated. The liquid ramjet or the second stage then takes the missile closer to 3 Mach speed in cruise phase. Stealth technology and guidance system with advanced embedded software provide the missile with special features. It operates on fire and forget principle, adopting varieties of flights on its way to the target. Its destructive power is enhanced due to large kinetic energy impact. Its cruising altitude could be up to 15 kilometers and terminal altitude is as low as 10 meters. Which countries want to acquire BrahMos? A report by News 18 stated that the following countries are interested in BrahMos. Vietnam. India is close to finalizing a $700 million deal to supply BrahMos missiles to Vietnam, boosting its maritime defense against China. Malaysia. Malaysia may consider BrahMos missiles for its Sukhoi Su-30 MKM fighter jets and Kedah-class warships. Thailand, Singapore, Brunei. These Southeast Asian countries are in various stages of negotiations with India. Brazil, Chile, Argentina, Venezuela. These Latin American countries are interested in the naval and coastal defense variants of BrahMos. Egypt, Saudi Arabia, United Arab Emirates, UAE, Qatar, Oman. These Middle Eastern countries have also expressed interest, with talks in advanced stages with some of them. South Africa, Bulgaria. South Africa and Bulgaria are in different stages of negotiation for possible procurement. While there has been no official confirmation from the Government of India, reports said India launched the supersonic missile on Noor Khan and other airbases in Pakistan. Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath said during an address to the state, "You must have seen a glimpse of the BrahMos missile during Operation Sindoor. If you didn't, then just ask the people of Pakistan about the power of the BrahMos missile."